Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer money from your Belfius Bank account step by step. First, open the Belfius mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in, the first step is to select your client account. This is the account you want to send money from. The app will show you your available balances for each linked account so you can choose the correct one. Next, you need to confirm the beneficiary. Enter or select the recipient of your payment. You will need to provide their name and IBAN. The bank will automatically verify these details to prevent errors or fraud. After that, type in the amount you wish to transfer. Digital credit transfers are now instant by default for many Belfius transactions, so the money may reach the recipient quickly. Next, select the execution date. You can choose to send the money immediately or schedule it for a future date if you want the payment to go out later. Finally, review all the details on the summary screen. Make sure the account, recipient, amount, date, and message are all correct. If everything looks good, tap the To Confirm button. Authorize the transaction using your app PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once confirmed, your transfer will be processed. Thanks for watching.